Happy birthday!
See you soon. Hope to dance with you from Little Ballerina. Bye-bye.
Mia, happy birthday!
We hope you're having a great time on your special day.
We pray that you may have good health and may all your wishes come true. Once again, happy birthday, God bless, love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mia Pot. Sobrang bilis ng panahon. 7 years old ka na. Parang kailan lang nagpe-pray pa lang kami na magkaroon kami ng baby girl. And now you are 7 years old already. We are so thankful and grateful for having you. Kayo nila Kuya Josh, Jen, and Kuya Marcos. And we are always praying for you na you're always healthy, you're always safe, and whatever dreams that you have, na matupad lahat ng yun. Just always remember na nandito lang kami palagi to support you, and we are just one video call away. We hope na sana makasama namin kayo dyan in God's perfect time and perfect will dyan sa Canada. And may you have a wonderful celebration in Canada with Mommy and Daddy and Kuya and your friends there in Canada. Don't forget to stay healthy and eat a lot para chubby ka na din katulad ni Kuya. We love you so much and we miss you. Love you. Happy birthday again. Mwah.
Baby girl, happy 7th birthday. Always be a good girl. I love and miss you so much.
Hello, everybody. Hello, my dearest, beautiful granddaughter, Mia. Wishing you and praying that you're in good health, smart, especially in your studies, and blessed always. You know, I feel sad that I'm not going to attend your birthday. But just enjoy your party, anak, apo. I feel I want to cry. I miss you so much. It's my honeys. Okay, have a wonderful birthday. My beautiful granddaughter, I love you so much and hope you enjoy your party. God bless us always. Enjoy. Ikaw, Mat. Agsao ka, Mat.
Oh. Happy birthday, Mia! Happy birthday!
Is that all?
Happy birthday, Mia. Happy birthday, Mia. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mia. Happy 7th birthday, Mia Margaret Pahe de Loso.
Hello to my beautiful and loving apo, Mia. Happy birthday, happy 7th birthday. I wish na maligaya ka sa araw nito, sa iyong kaarawan, apo. We love you and we miss you so much. We thank God for your life because you are so precious to us. Thank you, and we thank God because you are such a blessing. And also Kuya and the other two Kuya, here in the Philippines. Nawa Apo, na maligaya ka sa iyong kaarawan, na nagdiriwang ka ngayon ng iyong 7th birthday. Alam ko na ito ang nais mo, na mag-celebrate ng iyong kaarawan dyan sa church. Alam ko na marami kang kaibigan sa eskwela, dahil alam kong ikaw ang batang palakaibigan. You're a smart girl. We miss you, Apo. Naaalala ko pa noong nandito pa kayo sa Pilipinas, na sa tuwing kayo luluwas, parati tayong magkatabing matulog, at sa tuwing namimiss namin kayo, madali lang namin kayong puntahan sa Zambales. Hindi katulad ngayon na malayo na kayo, pero I hope na someday ay makakarating din kami dyan, kung matatagalan namin ang lamig. Dahil sobrang lamig to si Papa mo. Hindi natatagal sa lamig. Alam ko na miss nyo na rin kami, lalo na ikaw, Mia, na sa tuwing nagbi-video call tayo, sinasabi mo na you come here na, Mama and Papa, and we miss you so much, Apo. Lagi kang mag-iingat kayo ni Kuya sa pagpasok niyo sa eskwela, lagi kayong magmahalan, at lagi kang susunod sa kuya mo sa tuwing kung ano ang sasabihin niya sa inyo, dahil kayo ang parating naiiwan dyan na magkapatid. Sa tuwing nasa eskwela, nasa eskwelahan si Mami at si Daddy na pumapasok sa trabaho. Lagi kang susunod sa Mami at Daddy mo, at lagi kayong magdarasal saan man kayo makarating at saan kayo pumunta. We love you so much, and we hope we will see you soon. We love you, Apo. God bless, and we miss you so much. Happy birthday
To my beloved granddaughter Mia, on your 7th birthday. We pray that God lights shine upon you, guiding you, especially your dreams and your path, filling your heart with peace and happiness. May the Lord bless you abundantly and grant you the desire of your heart as you continue your journey with faith and grace. Always ask the Lord for wisdom and knowledge, because we know that you are very talented girl. Always follow Daddy's, Mommy advice, and also Kuya. Happy birthday. May God wisdom guide you, His strength uphold you, and His love sustain you as you celebrate your 7th birthday. You are very amazing daughter. You deserve the world and more. Here to a birthday filled with happiness and dreams. Apo, maligayang kaarawan. Ikaw ang aming ilaw sa madilim na gabi, Apo. Ikaw ang aming lakas at inspirasyon sa araw-araw. Happy birthday, naway maging matagumpay ka sa lahat ng iyong gagawin, dahil ang Diyos ay lagi mong kasama sa bawat iyong pagakbang. Apo, ang iyong ngiti ang nagpapasaya sa amin. Happy 7th birthday, naway manatili kang masayahin, malusog, at marami pang katalinuhan ang ibibigay sa iyo ni Lord. Lagi ka lang magdasal. At ikaw ay number 1 sa amin. Happy birthday. We love you. And we miss you. May the Lord guide us every day. Regards to Kuya Marcos, Mommy, and Daddy. Always take good care and be strong always. We love you. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
God bless, Apo.
God
We
bless.
love you all and we miss you all.